Hello foodies, you are foodie because you are loving food nowadays, and you all are chef also because from the last 3 weeks your teachers are sending you the videos and you are learning the cooking and helping your mothers in the kitchen. I love seeing your videos that you are helping your mothers in such a brilliant way. So this week I welcome you to Mummy Dad Dhaba, which is 24/7 open, because moms are great, only they can make the food 24/7 in the kitchen. So come on with me, let's have the fun. Hello Mama.
Hello. Today I am making paneer bhurji. First we make paneer bhurji. Start.
We are adding 2 tablespoons refined oil. You can use butter also, ghee also, as per your choice. Then the first thing which we are going to add is, क्या डाल रहे हैं मम्मा?
Jeera.
Okay, we are adding jeera, cumin seeds.
Adrak.
Then we are adding adrak, ginger. Before adding all these things, the first thing which we did was we washed our hands, which is the first need of the hour nowadays. As you know, corona is spreading. So first thing, wash your hands nicely.
Yes.
Then we are adding green chilies.
तो 1 मिनट लगाएंगे. Now we add onion. And then we add onion. Chopped onion.
For 1 minute only, we will saute the onions.
So that light brown now.
Yes. The recipe for today is actually stuffed kulcha. We will make the paneer bhurji and we will stuff it in the kulcha. That will be your stuffed kulcha. Whatever age may be, there is no age for learning. So, and mom is the first teacher for everyone. At this age also, I learned so many things from my mother. Really, I get a good bunch of knowledge from her. So what we are going to add after this, Mama?
Tomato.
Okay. Now we are adding tomato
And
and capsicum also.
first we add capsicum. After 1 minute.
So you have many options to add. Many veggies you can add. Like carrots also, peas also. You can add corn also, even of your choice. As you can see, now veggies are ready. Now we will add the tomatoes. For 2 minutes again we will saute tomatoes till they are soft. So students, I have the spice box with me. In this I have salt, cumin seeds which we already added. We will add red chilies and turmeric and the garam masala and coriander powder. Right. So we will add 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon of salt, round about 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili,
or according to his taste.
or according to your taste, yes. Then we have added coriander powder and little bit of garam masala. The ratio of spices will be according to your taste only. Those who love spicy food like me, they can add more red chili. Otherwise, we have added green chilies also. So take care of that. So we will wait for few seconds so that our tomatoes are softy. We don't need to make it so blended. Just crunchiness we will keep in this. You can see our veggies are ready. So now Mama is adding paneer, grated paneer. We have taken the paneer and we have grated it so that no lumps are there.
And coriander.
And the coriander leaves also. And then mix it very nicely.
Paneer bhurji is ready.
Now you can see paneer bhurji is ready and we are transferring it to the plate. So you can see guys, now our paneer bhurji is ready. Let's stuff the kulcha. You can see these are the kulchas which are readily available in the market. You have to take this side, the back side. Okay. We will take it, keep it on the plate. First, we will take the Szechuan chutney. Szechuan chutney. Small packet you can bring, no issue. Place it nicely on the corners also so that the flavor is well distributed. After that, you have to take the veg mayonnaise. Veg mayonnaise is also favorite of everyone. I know. You all love. Little bit of mayonnaise.
थोड़ा सा और दिखाई कम दे रही दोनों चीज़ें अब से.
Now we will put the bhurji which we prepared. That we will put in the half, not in the full. We will put in the half. You can see here. You can see here how I am putting. I am putting in the half only. And then I'll fold it like this. Then I am having here the toaster which I have preheated. Earlier I put it on switched on to heat it. Now I am greasing it with the butter. Again your choice, you can use the desi ghee also or you can use the refined also. Little bit you put on the top of the kulcha also and you place it like this and then close it. Switch on. And then you have to wait for 2 minutes. Now you can see students, filled paneer kulcha is ready. Be careful while taking it out as it's very hot. now we can relish it, we can enjoy it with the tomato sauce, or already we are having so many sauces and mayonnaise in that, so that will help you to enjoy. Your stuffed kulcha is ready. I hope you like the recipe and you will make many more recipes like this and send it to me also. I'll share my Gmail ID with you. Happy cooking, have fun. Thank you guys.